Where's Caitlin?
Right here.
You're right where? I can't see you. There you are. Hey, Goo.
Can you do that again?
Are you in the box? You fit in the box? It's probably just a little piece of trash. Is that a good place to sit? You comfy in your box?
Yeah, can you close this?
You want to close it up again? All right, there's this one. Okay, put your head down. Put your head down. Zoop. And zoop. And zoop. All right. Where's Caitlin? Where's Caitlin? There she is. You big goofball. The man with the yellow hat got all muddy. So did George. All right, say bye-bye.